Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Newmail versus Spark, two AI-driven email tools. We tested both to see if Newmail is really better than Spark. Newmail is designed around automation. It drafts smart replies, organizes email intelligently, and reduces inbox clutter without much effort. Spark, on the other hand, has been around longer and is known for collaboration features, team inboxes, and overall smooth design. The pros of Newmail are its advanced AI sorting, strong automation, and helpful drafting suggestions. But its con is that sometimes AI-generated replies feel too generic and it lacks Spark's teamwork features. Spark's pros are its polished UI, group collaboration, and strong reputation. Its con is that it feels less innovative compared to newer AI-first tools like Newmail. So, if you're an individual looking for an AI email powerhouse that keeps things fast automated, Newmail might be your choice. But if you're part of a team or value collaboration, Spark still holds the crown. This has been How to Literally We Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.